what's up? It's your boy Chord back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing the song Hope You're Okay by Olivia Rodrigo. So we're gonna use two chords, guys. Even if you can't play guitar, this is the song to learn because it's so easy. We're not gonna be using the capo, we're not gonna be using any fancy chords. Let me show you the chords that we're gonna be using. We're having a C and then an F. Right, so C is open, that means you're not holding any frets on the string. Open, 3, 2, open, 1, open. And then we go to F, which is 1, open, 3, 2, 1, open. So C, F. And then you have that, which I'm going to show you later. It's like an intermediate to advanced part, but strumming pattern is down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down. Okay, let's get into the song. So the verse goes like this. C to A minor. A minor is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. So you're playing C to A minor. And then, when we get to, does she know how proud I am that she was created? We play F to A minor. Na, 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 na. So 3 times. I miss you. Okay, so the 4th time we go to G. Okay, so you're gonna play the F to A minor 3 times, and then the last time you go to G. G is 3, 2, open, 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 3. Right? And then we get into what? The river, as good as it seems. Okay, so you play that part twice, the na 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 na, C to A minor, na 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 na, na 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 na, and then you go to D minor, which is open, 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 2, 3, 1. I'm laughing because at first I thought this song is based off of 2 chords. From the part that I listened to. This is my first time listening to the song, by the way, so yeah. We have D minor. Hold on. Okay, I'm just scrolling back because I'm playing the song so that I make sure I'm giving you guys the right chords. So I want to scroll a little bit back. Oopsie. Okay, so we have na, 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 D minor, na, 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 F, na, 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 and then back to C, na, 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 and then G to conclude, F to A minor, to A minor, that's F to A minor. I love you. So the last time you put a G, okay? And that is essentially 3rd fret of your 2nd string. And then you go to open 1, and then you cycle back to 1st fret of that 2nd string. So you play 3, open, back to 3, and then you slide to 1, right? So 3, open, which is the only time you're using the 1st string, and then back to 3 on the 2nd and 1 on the 2nd. All right. Now let's go to the very beginning of the song because we didn't do that. Okay, we have the intro is basically C to A minor, and that going into the verse second time, third time, this is the fourth time. If fell out of touch, that's F to A minor. Made a royal flush to A minor. Don't know if else. If to A minor, there's a third time, and then the fourth time you play G. Alright, and that is basically the whole song, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.